In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Brave new tab background and turn off sponsored images. First, open a new tab in Brave so you can see the default background. This is the page that appears when you start the browser or create a new tab, and it often rotates through scenic or branded images. If you're seeing pictures change every time you open a tab, that's Brave's background system at work, and some of those may be sponsored images. Viewing the default screen now helps you compare your changes as you make them. Next, look to the bottom right corner of that new tab page and click the Customize button. Depending on your version, this might appear as a paintbrush icon, a settings-looking gear, or a button labeled Customize. This opens a panel designed specifically for personalizing the look and feel of your new tab page without diving into deeper browser settings. In the menu that appears, find the Background Image section. This is where Brave groups all options that control the wallpaper on your new tab. If the panel has categories or tabs, choose the one that mentions background, background image, or new tab appearance so you're adjusting the correct setting. If you want to stop sponsored or random images from appearing, simply toggle off Show Sponsored Images. When this switches off, Brave will no longer display promotional wallpapers. This keeps your new tab cleaner, more consistent, and distraction-free. It can also make the page feel faster since it won't load large rotating images in the background. If you prefer a solid color or your own photo instead, you have a couple of choices. Some versions let you pick a solid color directly or upload a custom image, while others give you a single master control. In that case, you can uncheck Show Background Images entirely to remove wallpapers and reveal a clean, solid look. If your version supports custom images, choose a high-resolution, landscape-oriented picture so it looks sharp and fills the screen nicely. For solid colors, pick a shade that balances readability with comfort. Softer neutrals often work best for long sessions. Take a moment to glance back at your new tab to confirm the change. If you ever change your mind, just return to the same background image section and toggle the options back on, or switch from a solid color to a custom photo. That's it. By adjusting just a couple of settings, you've tailored Brave's new tab to fit your style, reduced visual noise, and created a cleaner workspace.